Question 1. What is a map? A. A type of thick book. B. A drawing of an area viewed from the top. C. A spherical globe. D. A photograph from space. Answer. B. A drawing of an area viewed from the top. Explanation. A map is a representation, or a drawing, of some area viewed as if from the top, or a collection of maps. A. A dictionary. B. A novel. C. An atlas. D. An encyclopedia. Answer. C. An atlas. Question 3. Which type of map mainly shows natural features like mountains and rivers? A. Political map. B. Physical map. C. Thematic map. D. City map. Answer. B. Physical map. Question 4. What kind of details do political maps usually show? A. Only mountains. B. Details of countries, states, boundaries, and cities. C. Only rivers. D. Weather patterns. Answer. B. Details of countries, states, boundaries, and cities. Question 5. What are the three important components of a map? A. Colors, lines, and dots. B. Distance, direction, and symbols. C. Paper, ink, and drawing. D. Cities, towns, and villages. Answer. B. Distance, direction, and symbols.
Question 6. What feature helps mapmakers fit a huge place onto a small piece of paper accurately? A. Scale. B. Symbols. C. Compass. D. Coordinates. Answer. A. Scale.
Question 7. Which of the following is considered a cardinal direction? A. Northeast. B. Northwest. C. North. D. Southeast. Answer. C. North. Explanation. The four cardinal directions are north, east, south, and west. Question 8. On most maps, what direction does an arrow marked with the letter N point to? A. North. B. South. C. East. D. West. Answer. A. North.
Question 9. Why do maps use symbols instead of drawing real buildings? A. To make the map look prettier. B. Because there is not enough space to draw them all. C. To confuse the map reader. D. To use fewer colors. Answer. B. Because there is not enough space to draw them all.
Question 10. What is the true shape of the Earth? A. A flat circle. B. A perfect square. C. A flat sheet. D. Nearly a sphere. Answer. D. Nearly a sphere. Explanation. Our planet is not a flat surface. It nearly has the shape of a sphere.
Question 11. What is a globe? A. A flat map of the world. B. A sphere on which a map is drawn. C. A book full of maps. D. A special type of compass. Answer. B. A sphere on which a map is drawn. The imaginary line halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. A. The prime meridian. B. The equator. C. The Tropic of Cancer. D. The international date line. Answer. B. The equator. Question 13. What measures the distance north or south from the equator? A. Latitude. B. Longitude. C. Time zones. D. Scale. Answer. A. Latitude.
Question 14. What is the latitude degree of the equator? A. 90 degrees. B. 180 degrees. C. 0 degrees. D. 360 degrees. Answer. C. 0 degrees. Explanation. By convention, the equator is latitude 0 degrees, 0 degree. Question 15. What is the climate generally like around the equator? A. Freezing cold. B. Hot, torrid. C. Very snowy. D. cool and dry. Answer B. Hot, torrid. Question 16. What are the imaginary half circles running from the North Pole to the South Pole called? A. Latitudes. B. Equators. C. Meridians of longitude. D. Hemispheres. Answer C. Meridians of longitude. 18. What is the 0-degree reference point for measuring longitude called? A. The equator. B. The prime meridian. C. The North Pole. D. The South Pole. Answer B. The prime meridian. Question 18. In which city is the standard prime meridian, Greenwich Meridian, located? A. New York. B. Tokyo. C. London. D. Delhi. Answer C. London. Question 19. Which ancient Indian city had its own prime meridian, Madhya Rekha? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Ujjain. D. Kolkata. Answer C. Ujjain. Question 20. How many degrees does the Earth rotate in 1 hour? A. 10 degrees. B. 15 degrees. C. 24 degrees. D. 30 degrees. Answer B. 15 degrees. Explanation. Our planet makes a full turn every 24 hours, which means 15 degrees per hour. Question 21. What do most countries adopt to avoid the confusion of having many different local times? A. Solar time. B. A standard time. C. Lunar time. D. Equator time. Answer B. A standard time. Question 22. How many hours is Indian Standard Time, IST, ahead of the local time at Greenwich, GMT? A. 2 hours. B. 4 hours 30 minutes. C. 5 hours 30 minutes. D. 8 hours. Answer C. 5 hours 30 minutes. Question 23. Because of its massive size, how many time zones does Russia have? A. 1. B. 6. C. 11. D. 24. Answer C. 11. Explanation. Russia is too large to have a single time zone and has 11 time zones. Question 24. At approximately what longitude is the international date line located? A. 0 degrees. B. 90 degrees. C. 180 degrees. D. 360 degrees. Answer C. 180 degrees. The international date line is approximately at 180 degrees longitude, opposite the prime meridian. Question 25. What happens when you cross the international date line? A. You change the year in your watch. B. You change the date in your watch. C. The time stays exactly the same. D. The temperature drastically changes. Answer B. You change the date in your watch. If you cross the international date line by ship or plane, you need to change the date in your watch.